When mentioning pi, most of us immediately think of the approximate value 3.14, a familiar number from textbooks. But pi is not just a simple number. It is a fundamental constant of mathematics and natural science. This leads to a philosophical rather than experimental question. Does pi ever have an endpoint? Since the 18th century, mathematics has proven that pi is an irrational number that cannot be expressed as a fraction. As a direct consequence, pi has infinitely many decimal digits with no repeating pattern. Despite knowing that pi has no end, humans continue to compute its digits. This effort is not for direct application, but to test the limits of computational technology. The officially confirmed record today is about 62.8 trillion digits of pi, calculated in 2021. In practical engineering and physics, only about 15 to 16 digits of pi are sufficient for precision. Even at cosmic scales, a few dozen digits of pi exceed all physical measurement limits. From here, we can pose a counterfactual thought experiment. What if pi were finite? If that were true, the concept of continuous curves in geometry would no longer properly exist. In that case, mathematical models based on continuity would no longer accurately describe nature. Thus, pi is not merely an infinite number, but a sign that nature is consistently described by continuous mathematics. The question of whether pi can ever be fully computed is ultimately a question about the nature of mathematics itself.